Hello YouTube, hello everyone. How are you doing? So, kauuwi ko lang galing sa trabaho and super late na. What time is it? It's 12:53 midnight. So pag uwi ko, may dumating na package kanina. So I just wanna show you the package that I always got every month. So this is the box that I got today. It's like it's a monthly subscription beauty box for $21. So I just want to see you what did I get today. I do apologize to my background. Messy background, but it's cute. So I already open it. I do already open it because every time I got my beauty box, it make me excited. So I open it already, and then this the inside the box, and then they have like Boxycharm. They have like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. They have like, and then they attach this paper, and they have everything inside the paper, the price, and then the product that they attach in the box. So I got this one. Is like this one is it's a blush. It's luminous silk compact blusher. Ooh, organ oil, cute. It's the shade 05 Desert Rose. I want to try that. I'm so excited to try that one. So this is the first one. We'll see. Let's open it. I'm gonna break the box. Ooh, I like my background. Messy background. Ooh, this is so cute. Note. And then when you open it, this is a pretty color thingy. That pretty color. There you go. That's a pretty color. It's a brush. And then it comes with a cute box. Comes with a cute box. And then the second one, this one is a face mask. Oh my god, I'm so excited for all of these. This one is a face mask. Oh no, that's why my camera is acting weird. The battery is like warning. So this one is a Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activate Vitamin C Mask with vitamin C. Ooh, exciting. And then the second one, it's a mascara. I like the packaging. It's so cute. Never seen like packaging like this for mascara. It is so cute. So it says mascara, Wonder Brow mascara. Yay! I'm a big fan of a mascara. I love mascara. So this is yes. I'm excited. Oh my god! So exciting. Cute packaging though. And then next one is it's this eyebrow cream. We'll see. I don't have. Oh, did I broke it? So it's like you have inside is it's like what color is it? Like brown color. That's the eyebrow cream inside, and then pretty sure the other side is the brush that you can use. Oh yeah, the brush. You can use the brush. So this is the brush. Oh, cool. This is the brush. Ah. And then this is oh, my camera. Okay. I need. Okay. I'll be right back. My camera is empty, so I'm gonna swap the battery and I'll be right back. Ay, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Ah, pinaka-paborito ko. Oh my god, love this one. This is so ow. I love this one. Yay. We'll see what color is this. It look like all pretty colors. So this is the eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow. So let's open it. Oh my god. It is gorgeous. It is so pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Ah, gusto ko yun. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. May plastic pa siya. Tanggal natin yung plastic. Tanggal natin yung plastic. Ang ganda ng ano ko, setup ko. Oh. Nakita niyo yan? Naka-set up yung that's my camera, my microphone, my camera. Hello. Ang ganda ng setup ko sa harap ng bathroom. That's my camera. Ooh. Kita niyo? That's my microphone, my camera, and my tripod. Oh. My microphone. Hala, ang ganda naman ito. Ang ganda-ganda. Gusto ko to. I'm excited to use that eyeshadow. So pretty color. They're all pretty. They are. Giorgio. I love all the stuff. I think this is my favorite beauty box. My favorite beauty box. I am excited. So I want to show you my favorite. My favorite is this one, the face mask with vitamin C, and the second one is this one. I'm really excited about this one, the mascara. I love mascara. I'm a big fan of mascara. So here we go. Yeah, I'm so excited. Woo! We'll see. Tingnan nga natin. Magsubok nga tayo sa ano ko. Gawin kong salamin yung camera. Oh my god. Ah, may ibang klase yung ano niya, yung brush niya. May shape siya. Oh my god. Hala, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ito. Oh, excited ako. Yay! By the way, every month, I receive a beauty box every month for this monthly subscription. Yeah, so excited. Ang ganda ng setup ko, oh. Bed, messy bed. And then, yung camera ko nasa harap ng toilet. Maganda kasi yung lighting dito maliwanag. I think, yeah, that's it for tonight. And then, I will see you on my next video. Ayan na naman ako. Hindi ako, ano ba tawag dito? Ayan na low lens, not on the screen. Why? Okay. But, yeah, so excited. Ang ganda ng, dito lang, umupo lang ako sa sahig. Nakaupo lang ako sa sahig dyan. Nakaupo lang ako dyan, oh. Nakaupo lang ako dito. Dyan lang ako ito na yung bagong ano ko. Ito na yung ano ko. Video filming setup. Ito na yung filming setup ko dito. Ang ganda-ganda, oh. Focus natin yung camera. Ooh. Hanggang ngayon yung eyebrow ko, tsaka yung eyeliner ko, ano pa siya, okay pa siya. Hindi nag-smudge. I like that. Ooh. And I work at 2:30 till 11:30, and I didn't retouch it or nothing. Look at that. Ooh. Good job. Might probably purchase it again. Yay. What time is it? It is 1 o'clock in the morning. So it is 1 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, look at that, my background, so cute. Messy background. Let's get this. My mini tripod. Normally this is I use when I carrying my camera to like just to hold it, so I'm not shaky, and I won't shake my camera or nothing, but that I put in my camera. Here we go. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to sleep, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Teka, ipakita ko sa iyo kung paano ko sinet up yung camera ko, ha. Mga tutuwa kayo. Sa bathroom ako nag-set up. Naupo lang ako sa sahig. Let me get my mirror. Ow. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll see. So that's the bathroom. That's the sink. That's the bathroom. That's my tripod. It's cute. That's my tripod. Ooh. And then that's my camera. Microphone. Camera. Hello there. Nakahanap na ako ng ng place para mag-film. Dito lang sa harap ng bathroom. Saan ka dyan? Yan bathroom. Ooh. And then my camera.